What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss T, back with another recipe to help you stick to your Mediterranean diet plan. Now, let's go. All right, family. First, we're going to saute our chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And I like mine a little brown. I like a little crunch. So if you like it that way too, you can just increase the heat for the last minute. But don't go too crazy. Extra crispy is not what we're going for here. Okay. And if you haven't already, this would be a great time to go ahead and subscribe. Shameless plug. Back to the recipe. Next, we're going to saute the onions and garlic. Make sure you don't burn it because your garlic will be bitter and your sauce will turn out a yucky color. So go easy, 1 to 2 minutes at the most. So now we can add the cream cheese, and guys, I'm trying to keep this diet friendly, so I had to buy the low fat version. And anytime you reduce fat, you reduce flavor. So make sure you season your sauce well, okay? Next, we add the roasted red bell peppers, and don't worry, you can find these at the store ready to go. You ain't got to spend a whole bunch of time in the kitchen. That's what I'm talking about. And next, the sun-dried tomatoes, and they are so good. So I didn't have this plan, but I decided to add some shrimp to this recipe. I've had it for a while and need to use it. And secondly, why not? You know, shrimp is the bomb, okay? But anyway, shrimp is really easy. You just need to saute it in oil for a few minutes on each side until they're orange. So, ta-da! Anyway. We'll let this simmer for about 5 minutes to thicken the sauce a little, and then we'll turn off the heat and add the baby spinach. And when you stir these in, the heat will wilt them, so you don't have to worry about cooking that at all. And lastly, we'll season the sauce. And it's okay to go hard to finish the sauce. We're missing that fat, so we gotta add a little more flavor to this. All right, guys, that is it. Make sure you serve this with whole wheat pasta to stick to the diet. The sacrifices we have to make, I know. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and if you have any questions or comments about it, please leave them down below. I'll see you next time. Peace.